You ever wanted your Google form to automatically email the person who hit submit with no code? Well, I'm Abdul, and this is just our automating where I show you quick real-world automations you can actually use. You'll need 3 things. A Google form connects to a Google Sheet, a free make.com account, and a Google Workspace email. The first step is to head into Google Forms. Create a blank form. I'm going to call this new email notification. We're going to put a name as a short answer. Email also as a short answer. And message as a paragraph. Okay. And so from here, what we're going to do is we're going to connect a Google Sheet. And as you can see, all 3 of our fields are here. And then we're going to publish this. The next thing we're going to do is actually automate the process. Log in. Sign in with Google. Create scenario. And the first thing we're going to do is watch a row or watch a new row in our Google Sheet. I'm going to add a connection. You can name these connections whatever you'd like. Okay, and then it's basically asking us which spreadsheet we want. So one new email notification, and it's going to ask us for the sheet name. And we want to set this limit to 1 so it processes 1 at a time. And we're going to do all. The next thing we're going to do is add a new module. And this is going to be Gmail, and we want to send an email. This is where the workspace is going to come into play. So I'm going to be using this juststartautomating.com. Going through the prompt. Okay. And so from here, our 2 will be the email. Our subject would be thank you. Our content, which is basically the body of the email, will be hello. And then since we're personalizing it, we want to put the person's name, of course. And thank you for and save. Now let's test. Submit. Let's run this test. Okay, and as you see, we have 2 greens. And as you can see, we have our custom email from our Workspace, Google Workspace email, and then it's customized. You want to take this to the next level? You can actually connect this flow to ChatGPT to generate smart replies. For example, if someone asks a question, you can have the AI write helpful answers and send it automatically. I'll be breaking this down in future videos. If this sounds great, hit the subscribe. I'm dropping bite-sized automations like this a few times a week. If you want help building your own workflows, book a free 15-minute AI strategy call with me. The link is in the bio.